Good morning, everyone. Great start to our Monday. Temperatures in the 70s, so not too bad. Last week we did have some 80s, if you remember, this early in the morning. So 73 in Okeechobee, 79 in West Palm. No rain out there now. I don't think we're going to see much rain for the morning hours. The morning's going to be pretty fantastic with lots of sunshine. But here's the deal. We're going to see the return of those afternoon storms. Finally, it'll start to feel like the rainy season. But today they'll be only isolated. Better rain coverage will move in for Tuesday and Wednesday. So Tuesday and Wednesday will be the rainiest days of the week. For today, mostly dry in the morning. Hot, hot, hot. Our temperatures will be above average, low to mid 90s, thanks to that south-southwest wind. Every time we get that south wind, we heat up pretty good in the afternoon. So here's the morning. 1 or 2 isolated showers along the coastline. That's about it. And then plenty of sun. There's 8:30. Here's 1 o'clock. Your lunchtime looking good still, but then the rain and storms will start popping up after about 2. Here's 5 o'clock. You see that the coverage is not impressive. So today, most people will not get rain versus most people who will get rain anyway. So thunderstorms expected today. They will be isolated though, but any storm that does develop could be strong. We're talking frequent lightning and wind being the main threat. So some gusty winds are possible. So maybe just taking the trash cans, don't leave them outside so they don't bounce around if you do get one of those storms. So only isolated today. The big story is the heat all week because we have the west wind all week. That means thunderstorms finally. Tuesday and Wednesday will be the rainiest days of the week. Not in the morning though. This will be afternoon and evening. Then Thursday and Friday about a 40% chance for rain. So finally we're going to get some needed rainfall this week.